Happy New Year from Buzy. Here are 4 annual home maintenance hacks that you can do yourself. Come on, let's check it out. First one's easy. Go around the house and change all the batteries on the smoke detectors because there's nothing worse than hearing this at 3 in the morning. The second one's a little bit more complicated, but you can still handle it. So you want to clean out the filter of your washing machine, especially these front loaders. It's really easy to do. It's down here on one of the sides. Simply take the flap off, and there'll be a little tube down there that you want to drain the water out into a cup. There's not going to be that much water, but maybe a cup, cup and a half. So you want to drain that out into a cup, and then you'll unscrew the filter that's next to it. And there might be a little bit of water that comes out, so just, put down an old towel or dirty towel there. And then when you take the filter out, yeah, there you go. Ugh, yuck. Third one is simply take a little bit of bleach and drop it down your primary drain of your HVAC system. This will keep it clear of any blockages or any growth that's occurring down there and help it drain easy, not just in the winter, but more importantly in the summer. And lastly, every year it's super important to clean your dryer vent duct. You can easily do it from the outside, and it's really easy. Just get a ladder and, oh, that up there. I think I'm gonna get on the Buzy app and let them handle it. You know what, while I'm at it, we'll let them handle the gutters too.